Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today in front of me are the die cuts from the Hobby Haven online exclusive paper pack. Now, I can't get to the papers, they are off to one side. It's a bit of a mess on my desk right now. I'm in the zone. But I am going to be using these on a project that I'm going to make with you. And the reason I love the Hobby Haven is that there is something for everybody. You know what, let's just bring it out because I need these bits of paper. So let me put those there. There is literally something for pretty much every hobby, and I'm going to put that to one side. So we have got, let me get rid of these scrappy bits. So we've got toiletries and the like, which I'm going to be using on this project, and they're fairly plain on the back. And then we've got needlework stuff. So we've got knitting, so we've got balls of wool, we've got sewing machines, we've got retro patterns, buttons, scissors, iron, all those things, you know, like needle things. And then we've got house plants and very cozy looking chairs, very nice, so just relaxing. We've got kitchenware stuff, and that's the other toiletries one, so that's the beauty regime under there. And then cooking, baking and the like. We've got a coffee maker, blender, all of the things. And then reading, which is one I've used before. Probably needed to be a Kindle in there. I have a Kindle, but yeah, there really is something for most chilled, relaxing kind of hobbies. And what I want to do, because I want to make this little one as a toiletries come beauty come self-care kind of project, it's because I have lots of little toiletries knocking around that I use for various things. So I've got a little bottle of Ayurveda hair and body mist, that's a little one. I have a little hand cream. I have a little, well, that's a regular size Burt's Bees. So I have lots of these little things. So that kind of was springing to mind small little giftable things as such. Right, so I've got a piece of cardstock, 8 by 11 inches, 27 by 20 centimetres. And on the long side, score it at 1 inch, 5 1/4, 6 1/4, and 10 1/2. That's all in inches. In metric, that's 2 1/2, 13, 15 1/2, and 26. And on the short side, score it at 1 inch and 5 1/2 inches, which again in metric is 2 1/2 and 13 centimetres. So all of this information is going to be on my blog. If you click open the description bar below, you will see a hyperlink that will take you directly to this project. And oops. Right, so I'm going to get this all burnished up. And this is just a nice little project that you could put some little toiletries in. Or, you know, I mean, if you didn't want to do that one, you could put maybe, this would be good to house a voucher and some little chocolates, something like that. It's just very sweet. So I'm going to fold up, I'm not going to fold anything at all, I'm going to cut this part away. So that's that skinny rectangle down at the bottom, and then I'm going to cut straight on the rectangle and wedge the square. Because this is a cardstock box, I need to have that little extra room to get a beautifully, perfectly flush fitting base. Right, now I know that this is going to form around and this part is the back, but I want this panel to fold forwards. So I need to get rid of everything else. If you are handy with a pair of scissors, go for it with a pair of scissors. If you're not so much, you might want to use a trim, but we need to get rid of all of that panel as well. And I know what I forgot to do. I forgot to put some extra score lines in there and there. Did I write those down to do? No, I didn't. Okay, let's just bend this out of the way. So that's at the 1 inch mark, 2 1/2 centimetres. So at the 1/2 inch mark, so 1 1/4 centimetres down to about 3 3/4. Just put a score line in there, and then what's this coming in at? That's 5 1/4 and 6 1/4. So 5 3/4 mark down again. And then if I can access my ruler, oops. Oh, that's not quite as far down. I'm just going to join up there and there. This will make, when we pinch it close together to get our sort of triangle shape, it will look nicer. And then this panel here, which is measuring in at 2 1/4 by 4 inches, which is 6 by 10 centimetres, that's going to sit on the front this way round. So you just need to make sure that your pattern is the right way round. If you've got that kind of a pattern. So I want my toiletry bottles and jade roller and everything to be the right way up, because it's going to come round like that. Right, tearing tape down this side. Oopsie. And then oh, I've got a dink on the tip of my paper piercer. That's why I'm having issues picking anything up at the moment. So that's the back. So I'm going to fold in the 2 sides in the back, and then I'm going to ditch that bit that's stuck to the back of my hand. Yeah, that's got a little dink on it, that's why it's not picking up anything. And then, because we've now remembered to put those score lines in, to just push with your fingers all the way down, and that's going to close up and resist at that point, which is very nice, very charming. And then I've got, I don't know if I want to use this colour or not. I think I do. This is brown baker's twine, and I'm going to go round a few times. It's just going to help keep it closed. And I'm going to tie a bow. With all fingers and thumbs. Oh my goodness. What? How have I got an extra loop? How have I got 3 loops? Oh, it's the tail. Oh dear. For goodness sake. I'm going to cut that off there and there. Slide it round a bit, and then I get to play with these die cuts. And we've got these ones here, which is the matching toiletries, which maybe prompted the project, that can sit along the bottom there. Is there anything else I want to add to it? I don't know. I don't think there is. I don't think there is anything to add to it. I think that's very much it, but that's okay. And some dimensionals, which are off to one side. And like I say, you could put some little toiletries in there. That would definitely, well, it would fit. Oh, maybe it wouldn't fit. Yeah, it would fit. Little toiletries would definitely fit inside because they are the right depth. I don't know if, can you see that? That's going to fit inside without any problem. All the way up to the top. But yeah, what else do I want to add to it? Oh, I want to put stuff on it. I want to put like little sparkly embellishments or something. Ooh, these could be quite nice. These are earthy matte dots with my dinked up paper piercer, which is probably not going to pick anything up. It's not wanting to, but I'm forcing it. And that is rather nice, and a nice way to show off the Hobby Haven. So this is an online exclusive paper pack. It is while stocks last. There are stamps and dies that go with it. I just stuck with a paper pack because I knew it had these fabulous die cuts, and there's no way on earth I could stamp and colour those as beautifully as they are. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Oh, wobble there. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.